meantime, also put out another breaking update that is now coming in as a big charge by the BJP amid the Jharkhand elections. What is now being said that the guest house where Amit Shah was staying was raided, as the BJP has now approached the Election Commission over this issue as well and have raised it as an issue on part of the Union Home Minister where he was residing as part of the guest house where he was staying. Here the BJP, we are told, has also approached the Election Commission. It was raided. As the BJP approaches the Election Commission, this is the charge that has now been leveled on part of the BJP. So we are trying to get more information as to who was behind conducting those raids that is now being said, and the guest house where the Union Home Minister was staying. And this is coming right in the middle of the election battle in Jharkhand, where the second phase of elections are yet to happen. And the BJP is now leveling the allegation the guest house where the Union Home Minister stayed was raided. The BJP in the meantime has also taken up this issue with the Election Commission to look into it, as far as there has been, in a way, protest that has also been lodged on part of the BJP on Amit Shah, where he was staying at that guest house being raided. We'll be getting our reporters there in just a bit to get you more information, because here, when it comes to the involvement that is now coming across on part of political leaders, especially at the time when election campaigning that has been taking place, this is also coming right in the middle of Jharkhand elections, as we just heard of Rahul Gandhi's chopper being stalled for some time as it was not given clearance by the ATC. Let's get in a word from Pragya now. Pragya, the details please on what agency carried out these raids and why.
Well, this is a place where Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah had stayed while on his political campaign tour in Jharkhand. This is Sarla Birla School Guest House where the Home Minister stayed. And this institution has been raided, and this is exactly what Mr. Hemant Biswa Sarma, who is also co-in charge for Jharkhand, has been saying that this looks like that there is a desperation in the ruling party. This looks like that they are desperate, and this is why they are taking vengeance, and that is why this particular institution has been raided. So, all these allegations have been put on JMM for taking revenge, for let Mr. Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah stay at that particular guest house. This has now snowballed into a political row, I would say, and BJP Jharkhand is not taking this lightly. They are attacking Hemant Soren and his government for, and also in fact the police, using the police and the administration to take vengeance. They are saying that they are, in fact, it is a point of desperation for JMM, and this is why they are targeting the institutions that are seem to be neutral and objective in nature.
All right. So this is now being said that it was the Jharkhand police that apparently had raided the guest house where the Union Home Minister was staying. This is the allegation that has also been leveled on part of Hemanta Biswa Sarma. Let's quickly go